Here, we explore the world of wealth and uncover the secrets of financial success. If you're looking for a roadmap to becoming rich and achieving your dreams, you're in the right place. Money can't buy happiness, but it can certainly make life easier and open doors to new opportunities. That's why we're dedicated to bringing you the most effective, proven ways to accumulate wealth and build a secure financial future. But we don't just focus on the practical side of wealth building. We also dive deep into the mindset and psychology of successful people, exploring how they think, act, and make decisions that lead to financial abundance. Subscribe now to join our community of like-minded individuals. The psychology and mindset of rich people is fascinating. At its core, the mindset of wealthy individuals is characterized by a combination of confidence, ambition, risk-taking, persistence, and focus on opportunities. 1. Define your goals and make a plan. Start by asking yourself, what do I want to achieve financially? Is it buying a house, retiring early, or starting a business? Once you have a clear idea of your financial goals, it's time to create a plan that will guide you towards those goals. This plan should include specific actions you need to take, such as saving a certain amount of money each month, investing in a diversified portfolio, or taking steps to advance in your career. A well-crafted plan will keep you focused and motivated, even when you encounter obstacles along the way. 2. Build your financial literacy. When you understand how money works, you can make informed decisions about how to save, invest, and spend it. Without financial literacy, you may be more likely to make costly mistakes that can set you back in your wealth-building journey. Fortunately, building financial literacy doesn't have to be difficult or time-consuming. There are many resources available to help you learn about money management. 3. Save and invest. Saving allows you to accumulate money over time, while investing offers the potential for that money to grow even further. But it's important to do both wisely. Start by setting a savings goal and making a plan to achieve it. Look for ways to reduce expenses and increase your income. Then, invest your savings in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, and other assets that offer the potential for long-term growth. Investing comes with some risk, but with careful planning and a long-term perspective, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. The key is to stay disciplined and committed to your savings and investment plan, even when markets are volatile or life throws you a curveball. Remember, building wealth takes time and patience, but the rewards can be significant. 4. Focus on your career. Your career can provide a steady stream of income that you can use to build your wealth over time. To maximize your earning potential, it's important to invest in yourself and develop the skills that are in demand in your industry. Consider taking classes, attending conferences, or pursuing advanced degrees to increase your knowledge and expertise. 5. Build a business. For many people, starting a business is the ultimate path to becoming rich. Building a business is one of the most effective and proven ways to become rich. It offers the potential for unlimited income and the ability to control your own destiny. Starting a business is not easy, but with hard work and dedication, it can be a path to tremendous wealth. Successful business owners understand that they need to invest time, money, and effort into their ventures to make them successful. Building a business requires a long-term vision and a willingness to take calculated risks, but the rewards can be significant. For those who have an entrepreneurial spirit and a desire to be their own boss, building a business can be an exciting and rewarding path to wealth. Remember, building wealth is a journey that requires time, effort, and patience. But with the right mindset, knowledge, and strategies, anyone can achieve financial success. We hope this will help you on your path to becoming rich. Thank you for watching and see you soon.